friends, I'm Miss O. I'm so happy to see you. Today, Miss O is going on a nature hunt. Would you like to come join my springtime adventure? Let's go! I am going on a nature hunt. I will search high and low. I'm going on a nature hunt. It's time to go! By the big, big tree, I found something. Would you like to see it? Here we go. A squirrel. He's eating a little nut. Don't scare him. I am going on a nature hunt. I will search high and low. I'm going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. On a branch, I found a little bird. Come, little bird, say hello to me. Ooh, look at this bird. He came on my hands. I am going on a nature hunt. I will search high and low. I'm going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. Ooh, bridge. Under the bridge. Let's see what I found. Dogs! How many duckies I found? Oop, here comes one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 duckies swimming in the pond. I am going on a nature hunt. I will search high and low. I'm going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. Rocks. What's under the rocks? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. A worm. Wiggly, wiggly worm. Look at the worm. Slithery, slithery. But don't hurt it. I am going on a nature hunt. I will search high and low. I'm going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. Uh-oh, grass. Long wavy grass. What's in the grass? Let's find out. Swish, swish, swish. It's a slithery snail. Look at the snail. Ooh, the other one is right here. But don't scare them. I went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. I went on a nature hunt. Now I'm home at last. Bye-bye.